Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating of the Heart, and today I'm sharing some projects that I made using the February Spellbinders Small Die of the Month and Large Die of the Month. So, finally tried to get some time together to at least use some of these so I have an idea of what they do. So, this one right here, the Small Die of the Month, it can make, well, you could do a lot of things with it. So here you could just use the pieces to make a card that just uses the pieces, or you can do what I just did on this one, which is to make a gatefold, because there's a fold here, so you can make a gatefold card. Very spring. I really like the sentiment, which is spring greetings. It cuts all in one piece. So that's this one. And what I only made one card with it, because I just wanted to see kind of how it cuts. So I did the gatefold, and it opens like this, and inside it says Spring Greetings. So that's that card. Definitely want to play with that one a little bit more when I've got a chance. And then the large die of the month makes butterflies. So it makes a very large butterfly. You can embellish it however you want, make it as simple, or you can cut all the layers and make it, a fancier butterfly. So that one, I made a couple of different ones using all the same color palette. So I've got this card right here. So I just cut, I think I used all the layers but one for this card, and the Celebrate is from, I think it's Paper Smooches. So there's that one. Okay. And then this one uses the sentiment in here, which is bonjour, and I love it. I love that sentiment so much. I used rose gold mirrored cardstock for that. And what I did for this, which I also did for that one, and I got this example from a YouTube video from Spellbinders, which kind of gives you an idea. Every month they put one out that shows you how to use your dies and what each piece does. So I didn't use the other pieces in this, which are flowers and little leaves and things. A lot of the dies that I've gotten from Spellbinders has these types of flowers and leaves. So what I did was I took one of the butterfly pieces and cut into my main base, and then put another colored layer behind it. And then I cut the other pieces. The only piece I didn't cut was the main piece, which has the antenna. So that piece did not get cut. Yeah, that piece didn't get cut, because I'll show you in this other one what that one looks like. And then I cut the bonjour. And then this one, I actually just made a butterfly embellishment. So then this can get popped into some Happy Mail or even a card. And it's just a very simple embellishment where I just cut all the different layers. And so this is the layer that I didn't cut for the other one, and this is the layer that has the antenna, and it's the main layer, so it's the one that kind of shows through. I did that one in rose gold, and then I did the next layer in white, and then the last layer in the pink, and I only adhered it in the middle. Now there's a piece that you can cut that goes in the middle, which I did not do for this one. And then this one, since I'm doing glitter paper, I didn't bother with it. But it does come with all the layers that you would want. And then this is just a really simple little embellishment that is on a pop dot. You could just pop it off, and then you could put it on a card or any other kind of project that's just ready to go. And so anyway, that is the February large and small die of the month. And I'm going to be working on the next month so that I at least have used all of my Spellbinders, because they really are fabulous. So if you're interested in more about the Die of the Month Club, you should check out the Spellbinders website. And it's a really, really good deal. For $30 a month, that includes shipping. You get the small die and the large die of the month shipped to you. That includes the shipping, and you also get points for your order, which you eventually can then use and buy product. in the Spellbinder store. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.